don't cry. It's okay. Oh, this isn't bad.
One in my nose.
It's just.
How's it going, YouTube? My name is Caffeinated Mike, and I'm here with my friend
Caffeinated. No, just kidding. S. Donald V. Samuel. Our Sam. Our Sammy.
I'm just kidding. There's lots of things you can call it.
But just don't call me late for supper.
Today, we are doing the Holiday Glitter Beard Challenge where we glitter our beards and we try to make them Christmassy. So happy holidays to all of you. Happy Hanukkah, whatever you celebrate. Shall we get started?
Yes.
Okay, don't really want like my house to get glitterified because it's hard to clean.
Yeah.
So I feel like we should wear
What?
recycle bags.
Do you have an extra one?
No.
But wait! Through the magic of YouTube, I happen to have one in my tube.
You're so trashy.
I am trashy.
Oh my gosh, do you recycle?
I need to. Sorry, Corey, don't hate me.
It's a joke.
It's a joke.
Okay. It's just like we're also on the TV because it's like a meta thing to do. So
we're trendy.
I'm gonna try to pour it full.
How do you?
I've never worn this before. Like,
No, when I was a kid, my mom used to put a garbage bag over my head.
What?
Because I would talk too much.
no,
I just thought I'd.
it's not ripping.
I'm kidding. I'm
Wait,
kidding.
are you for real?
No, I'm joking. I'm joking.
Okay.
This is messy. Okay.
You're messy.
I am messy. What?
I'm so
This is not how you do it. Okay, I got a garbage bag on.
That's not even protecting you.
It's fine. I don't need protection.
My house needs protection.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
Okay, whatever.
Is that better? I feel like.
Oh, this is like a fashion statement.
We're wearing green and red,
red.
because it's Christmas colors. We want it to be complimentary to you guys.
I went to Starbucks today, and instead of coffee, it was really weird. There was glitter!
Okay, what colors do you got?
We got
Okay,
blue glitter, green glitter,
red,
silver.
and like yellow gold.
Yeah.
Okay, sweet. Okay, I'll do yours first.
Okay.
Because it's less work.
Yeah, there's like nothing here.
Yeah, we're like I don't think you can even call this glitter your beard. It's like glitter your goatee.
Yeah.
It's not it's nice.
Thank you. I work hard.
Okay, for this challenge, we need beard oil. Just so happens I have one. It's pumpkin spice. It's expired.
But pumpkin spice and like Starbucks?
They go together. We are on par with each other right now. Like I don't know really. I've never done this.
Nor have I. But have some coffee.
Well, there's some in there.
You know, I'm asking like.
Oh yeah, like you can drink.
Okay.
Whatever. Like just try not to get glitter in your coffee.
I won't. Thank you. You need to be caffeinated for this.
So I'm gonna start with the beard oil. I've never done this before. I don't know. Like why are we doing this?
I have no idea. This was your idea, Mike.
Okay, like put this down.
Should you hold that? Okay. Oh.
Like normally I just do this on my beard, but I feel like that's weird if I.
You actually use beard oil?
Yeah.
I've never used it in my life. Why do you use it?
Because it makes your beard smooth if it gets too long.
Oh, I guess I don't have that problem. It smells good.
Does it? It doesn't smell like expired?
Now that you mention it, no, I'm just kidding. No, it smells like.
Okay.
It smells like Play-Doh.
It does smells really good.
But I like Play-Doh. No disrespect to Play-Doh.
I need more actually. Also, in case you guys are wondering, my finger, I dropped a weight on it and then it like turned black. It's really disgusting. I'm sorry you had to see that, but it's on my right hand. So.
And in case you're wondering, my fingers are perfect, and my nails and my cuticles,
They're the worst.
they shine.
Okay.
Like a diamond.
So, it's applied. I don't know. Okay, I want to put green on you a lot.
Because we thought it'd be cool if, since I have a red shirt, he put green on my beard, and since he has a green shirt,
yeah,
we put red on his beard.
right. Oh my gosh, I don't.
And there's a dog right in between my legs.
Oh no, Lacey.
Lacey?
I don't want her to get glitter on her. Sydney will be really mad at me. Okay, how about you like tilt your head back a bit? I don't know what it. Okay, I'm just gonna do the chin.
I feel like I'm in labor. Just kidding.
There's not much coming.
You might want to take off the cap.
Well, there's holes.
Well, those holes are too small. For the glitter. Oh, crap. Core?
Look how shiny it is. Oh, I actually don't like glitter at all.
No? No, it's actually very annoying.
It is annoying. And like nothing is being covered here. It's working. Like it's not really sticking too much, but I feel like you're an art piece, and
I could be in the MoMA.
The MoMA?
It's in New York. It's art. Yes. Okay, can I get out of this pose?
Yeah.
I was like, ooh, Sam!
Hey, what? This is how much I put in.
I'm getting old. Oh, okay, I can't see it. How does it...
Oh, sorry. I need more.
Does it look good?
Yeah. What happens if you swallow glitter? Does it stay in your body for the rest of your life?
I was just reading online that's just very toxic, and the slightest amount can really...
You are the worst.
Well, it's probably not good. What is glitter made of?
Glitz.
Oh, and turd?
Oh no, there's one here too.
That's okay.
It looks like spinach.
You guys, I wasn't eating spinach. I didn't have my smoothie.
What do you think?
I'm sure it looks fine.
You look so sparkly. I like it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Also, as I show where your Bowser. Okay.
Oh, well, this is really intense. I feel like this could be like this is fashion with the garbage bag and the red.
All the glitter is going everywhere.
Oh yeah. No, I think the red and the green looks good, and then. Oh my! You know, I'm kind of frightened because that took a minute, but look at all this facial hair.
Okay.
And how much oil do you want me to use?
You know what? Just get it wet.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm not a professional, so please. Okay, this is.
Should I go back?
And then you were like, give it a little rub. Oh my goodness, you got so much.
No memo.
Okay. Oh. Okay, that's not bad. Okay. Okay, don't cry. It's okay. Oh, there we go. It's okay. Oh, this isn't bad.
Oh, why my nose?
It's okay. It's It's for the art. It's for the Christmas season. There you go. It's okay. Mike. Hey, it's actually not bad. It's gonna get a little messy, then I'll just a little splatter attack. Okay, the tube's actually gone. I think I went overboard. And then Mike could just...
What's in my nose?
Sorry, are you sniffing it in?
I'm trying to blow it up.
Okay, just...
Yeah, right.
No, I added it because I didn't want to waste. You know,
we look so festive.
we are festive.
Oh, and like my garbage bag, it's sparkly.
This is like hashtag modern art.
Yeah. Okay, but what about like here?
Oh, I didn't do that.
Oh, do you want to put a different color?
Yeah, we have extra.
Silver, maybe like tinsel.
Yeah.
Yeah, like the tree. That's white.
Yeah.
But
Oh, I didn't know there was a tree there. Just kidding.
Well, guys, if you want this to stay, this look, I think all you have to do is put hairspray in.
And we do have hairspray.
We do, but like we're not going out after, so I feel like I don't want to put hairspray on my mouth.
This is so messy.
You're messy.
Okay, I'm gonna get serious.
Okay. Like aim.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want your other side?
Yeah.
Wait. Oh, this side's like missing. Okay, now. Okay, I didn't think it was gonna be this like tricky. Okay, don't try this at home. This is such a mess.
Oh, there's glitter on the floor. It's so nice.
Our garbage bags did nothing.
It's 'cause yours is like not even on.
I'll help you clean. It's okay. Okay.
There we go.
Oh my god.
Père Noël est arrivé.
Yeah.
Santa Claus is here.
I love it.
With my moles. What's a mole? What's glitter? You'll never know.
You look good.
Really good. Really good.
Actually, this would be good to go out.
Yeah.
People would be like,
We
"What?"
should do a close up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Same time. You go first.
Yeah. No. This holiday cheer.
Fashion.
I hope you enjoyed that glitter challenge. Thanks for watching. Have a happy holiday. And just remember, like, you know.
Are you about to be deep?
I'm about to be deep.
Okay.
With glitter on my beard.
Okay, I'll be serious.
Okay, so like, you know, There's been stuff with my family, like Christmas will not be the same this year due to events. So cherish that time that you enjoy, and remember that it might not always be like that, and that's okay.
You're pulling a Sam.
But like, just really like enjoy the time you have with family or friends or whoever you
And
choose
those you
your
love.
family to be.
That's true.
Yeah.
No, it's true.
Your dogs, your cats,
Or your humans.
whoever.
Human friends.
Yeah.
Loves.
So that's all I really have to say. Just like, it might not always last, but that's okay because life happens.
And all good things come
Come
to
to
an
an
end.
end. Sam, don't be.
Can't ignore that.
But I hope you get great Christmas gifts. Happy holidays, but guys. Stay caffeinated. Bye. This is holiday cheer.